So today I'm about to head off out to Chabanais to meet with a group of ladies here. One of the things that I've done to sort of integrate into sort of the local area is to join a couple of Facebook groups, and this is a multicultural um, group. So you have like French people, English people, um, and various other cultures as well, all meeting up for a coffee and chat. But this particular group is ladies only. But yeah, hopefully have a nice afternoon and a catch up. Found it really useful for great advice, and just meeting people generally stops you being isolated when you're on your own. So just about to head out, and I've only just got picked up my post, and yeah, amazing news! I've got my CRA and my social security number come through. So Merry Christmas to me! I'm super excited about that. It means that I can start earning. Means I can start selling things. Yeah, but yeah, speechless almost. Highly unlike me, as anybody that knows me and you probably guessed knows. Anyway, have a lovely afternoon or lovely day wherever you are. There you go. I have made some cumin and saffron, no sorry, paprika rice with a hint of peri peri, and I've just reheated some Mexican chicken that I made previously. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put half of that into a bowl with some rice, and then the next portion will be for another time. Excuse the washing machine going hell for leather. And there we go, finished product, topped off with a little bit of grated cheese. It's actually a trio gourmand, which I get from our local Lidl here in France. So there we go. So it's chicken with peppers and mushrooms and spices, with the rice, and then some grated cheese on top. There we go, finished product, perfect for a winter's evening. Some Mexican chicken with some cumin and saffron. I don't know why I'm obsessed with saying saffron. It's paprika and peri peri rice. And that's just me chucking in some herbs and spices with the rice, and it's basmati rice. So there we go. Right, off to go and enjoy that before it gets cold. So today is a doctor's and a vet's day. So I thought maybe I would try and explain a little bit. I've just been to pick up some flea treatment and tick and wormers and stuff. And that is quite expensive over here, just to forewarn you. It was just a shock just now, to be honest with you. I've run out of the stuff that I brought over from England, and from the vets here, it's €94 for 3 months worth of flea and tick, and for 1 month of wormers for 2 cats. So that seemed quite expensive to me, nearly €100. Then I've been to the doctor's this morning, and for a consultation with the doctors, that's €25, which I think is quite cheap. It's very reasonable, because they do take a lot of time with you. It's not like in England where they rush you. They go through everything that you want to talk about. So yeah, sometimes they overrun the time slots by quite a lot, but you feel like you're definitely being looked after. The medicine then obviously costs you on top of that, and that is priced per item, and it's not one price fits all like in the UK where you have a prescription, and each item costs, say, I don't know, £9. Over here it's per item depending on what the item is. So depending on what you need, depends on the cost. And I need to sort out a carte vitale, which is effectively like a medical insurance card, which covers, I think it's something like 70% of your medical costs, which you then have to get reimbursed the organisation, and then the rest of it you either pay for, or you can have a top-up insurance called a mutual. So that's something that I need to sort out. That's my next thing on my list of items to sort out. Quite a lot going on at the moment. So with French lessons having started 4 days a week, trying to sort out the business, had lots of paperwork come through for that. So yeah, we will see how I go. And I will update you with anything that comes up, just so that you know what to expect over here. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. Just been in to pick up my items from the pharmacy, and my prescription is for 3 months worth of medication, but the pharmacy will only give you, generally speaking, 1 month's worth of medication at a time, and then you have to go back each month and collect it. You don't have to go to the doctor, so you don't have to pay the consultation fee 3 times, and you don't have to pay for the medication more than you take, but obviously, you know, you pay for it each month. So that's something that's different from the UK. The other thing that I would recommend is, if you take any vitamins, get them in the UK, or if you're not going back to the UK and you need them, order them through Germany online, because it's a lot cheaper than buying them in the pharmacies in France. So I'm not sure if you're going to be able to actually see these numbers, but these are really good numbers. I know I posted some the other day, but I will put the details in the description. They're really handy for emergency situations in France. Thank you once again for joining me here at Cottage Tranquility, and a special thank you to all those that subscribe. For those that don't, if you could subscribe, like and comment, that would be much appreciated. Thank you.